Ein ganz besonderes persönliches Friedenslied für mich ist von Cat Stevens der Song If You Want to Sing Out, Sing Out. Das ist die Titelmelodie zu dem Spielfilm Harold And Maude, der schon alleine unglaublich köstlich ist, dieser Film. Müsst ihr euch unbedingt mal angucken. Und mit dieser Musik zusammen ist wirklich alles unschlagbar, auf jeden Fall. Also jetzt für euch von Cat Stevens, If You Want to Sing Out, Sing Out. Well, if you want to sing out, sing out. And if you want to be free, be free. 'Cause there are the million things to be. You know that there are. And if you want to live high, live high. And if you want to live low, live low. 'Cause there are the million ways to go. You know that there are. Oh, you can do what you want. The opportunity's on. And if you find a new way, you can do it today. Oh, you can make it all true. Ah, it's easy. Ah, you only need to know. Well, if you want to say yes, say yes. And if you want to say no, say no. 'Cause there are the million ways to go. You know that there are. Be me, and if you want to be you, be you. There are the million things to do, you know that there are. How you can do what you want, the opportunity's on. And if you find a new way, how you can do it today. How you can make it all true. And you can make it undo. You see, ah, it's easy. Ah, you only need to know. Well, if you want to sing out, sing out. And if you want